Welcome to the Food Series Part 1. Today let's talk about food and let's find out the names of a few popular snacks and drinks. Hey, I'm Peanut. Today let's learn the names of some snacks and beverages with pictures. First is my all-time favorite, and that's pizza. Do you like pizza? Next is sandwich. Who doesn't love a nice sandwich? I surely do. Moving on to the next snack, which I'm sure you all love. It's popcorn. Watching movies is no fun without a tub of popcorns. Next up are pancakes. Which pancake toppings do you prefer? The next on the list is another of my favorites, the delicious French fries. What is your favorite dip when it comes to French fries? The next on the list is burger. Having a nice loaded burger can always lift my spirits. Moving on to a really healthy snack, that's salad. Did you know that a bowl of salad can contain several nutrients which are really good for you? Next is another one of my favorites. It's a bowl of noodles. Do you love noodles? From time to time, we all love to have something sweet. So next up on our list is waffles. Waffles with chocolate syrup are absolutely yum. Next are cookies. Cookies with chocolate chips are my favorites. What's yours? The next snack on our list is something that I always love to munch on. It's chips. Which is your favorite flavor? Another really yum snack are nachos. Which dip do you prefer to have with nachos? Next up are the delicious donuts. Nothing compares to the smell of freshly baked donuts. The next on our list are cakes and pastries. Strawberry and chocolate flavored pastries are my all-time favorites. Now moving on to beverages, we have tea and coffee. The next on the list is fruit juice. And my favorite is a glass of fresh orange juice. And when we talk of something sweet, how can we ever forget chocolates? Who doesn't love chocolates? Next up is ice cream. Ice creams can be of different flavors, and I seem to love all of them. Moving on to the next one on the list, we have Coke and soda. It's always a perfect companion for pizzas. The next up on our list is something that's really healthy. Those are different kind of smoothies. Starting the day with a smoothie can actually benefit you in many ways. Another thing that we usually have in the morning are cereal. Which is your favorite kind of cereal?
Yay!
And with that, it also brings us to the end of this lesson. Now that you know the names of so many snacks and beverages, which one do you think is your favorite? Also, for more fun videos, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. Thank you so much for joining me today. New videos are coming soon, so be sure to visit again. Bye bye for now. See you soon. And if you like our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.